Are you ready to take your maintenance strategy to the next level? Building a preventive maintenance plan doesn't have to take hours. Start by identifying your critical assets, those machines that are crucial to your operations. Focus your efforts where it matters most. Review past maintenance records, repair logs, and performance data. This helps you understand failure patterns and when maintenance is needed. Use real-time data or manufacturer recommendations to set a schedule for inspections, part replacements, and tune-ups. Tools like Oxmaint CMMS make it even easier. Automate scheduling, track work orders, and get reminders, keeping your team ahead of potential failures. Ensure your team is trained on the plan and knows their responsibilities. A well-prepared team is key to success. With just these 5 steps, you'll have a preventive maintenance plan that boosts efficiency, reduces downtime, and keeps your operations running like clockwork. Try Oxmaint CMMS today. Build smarter plans in minutes.